welcome to another Wednesday Wellness video. Hope you guys have watched the excellent videos that Miss Parry's already put out, but this week I thought I'd do something a little bit different, and I thought I'd get some of my friends together to share with you guys what they've been up to during lockdown. Now for me personally, I've set myself some little projects to do, such as the gardening with my grandmother, building a fence, and some other DIY projects around the house. Now for me personally, I feel like these projects really help my brain tick along, and they keep me healthy and keep me active as well. So I'll now pass you on over to my friends, and other than that, stay safe and stay healthy.
So during quarantine, I've tried to be a lot more motivated with my exercise, trying to do more workouts and go on runs. I've also tried to do a bit more cooking and baking. So I've just made some hot cross buns for Easter, which was a bit difficult but fun nevertheless.
I've taken isolation as an opportunity to learn a new skill, and I've started cooking.
One way to cure the boredom during lockdown is to do exercise. Make sure you do your outside exercise at least once a day, but make sure it's less than an hour. You can also do workouts inside and outdoors at home if you have a garden and things. This will all help with mental and physical health.
So besides doing things such as going on walks, doing some yoga, reading, doing workouts, I've been really focusing on helping the local community. For example, I have quite a few elderly neighbors for which I offer to recycle bottles or go grocery shopping for. So I inserted a little video of me today recycling their water bottles because I think it's super important to help the community as much as you can, even with social distance. And yeah, I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Mwah.
During isolation, I've been trying to keep a sense of structure and purpose on a very small scale every day by creating things and reading books and keeping myself busy. And I think one of the most important things is to maintain perspective on a day-to-day basis and also take advice given very seriously so that you protect yourself and everyone else around you.
So during the lockdown, I've found it really important to keep in contact with my friends. We've done so much, such as group calls, online quizzes, and things to get everyone involved so we can all check on each other and make sure that everyone's all right. We've also done a thing called Netflix Party, where you can all watch a movie together at the same time and message alongside it, so it's as if you're really watching a movie with your friends. Things like this are really special and keep us all together in this tough time.
I hope everyone's been using their time wisely. I've been spending a bit of time growing my beard and I think it's looking quite good. I've also started an online course from Yale, which is kind of helping me trying to keep ahead of the game and also keeping me busy, having a bit of structure to my day. Also been doing kind of daily exercises and things, which is very important. And then obviously practicing social distancing and staying at home for as much as possible, along with enjoying some of the nice weather in the garden. So I hope you're all alright. And hopefully we can get back to some sort of normality fairly soon. Stay safe and stay at home, and I'll see you all very soon.